So what we're about to demonstrate right now with Trophy is her startle reflex. You don't want a dog that gets to be over 100 pounds and out in public that's easily startled and scared that might become aggressive or try and run and hide. So what we do to build confidence is we'll just start dropping random household objects. Now, you might see her startle for a minute, she might not, but then she'll quickly recover and look to me for security and a reward. She didn't really care, and that's exactly what you want. Good job, Trophy.